Okay, this is like my first time trying to record this. Hopefully this is the last one. The reason I'm recording it so much is because like the first day I didn't like the way I was sounding. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I don't sound like I know what I'm doing. But truth be told, I still don't know what I'm doing. So reason it's so like dark and mysterious in this room is because it's load shedding. South R vibes, you know how it be. So this trade is like one of those trade where I caught but didn't catch. You know what I'm saying? Like I caught it but not the way I want to catch it. I caught it but not according to the plan, if that makes any sense. How is my week doing? Not profitable this week, but next week will come through bigger, better, following the plan more precise. So the reason why I'm not profitable this week is because I took like trades on the 4 hour, which I thought were gonna play out in my favor, but I'm glad that they didn't. So I can just like focus on this 15-minute strategy of mine. Okay, with the disclaimer said, let's just see what we're looking at. So today is Thursday in the morning. I was anticipating a sell. If you ask me why, I'll tell you because for the past 3 days, price has been forming higher high. Let me take out my pen. It's been forming higher highs, and we're using like the daily highs as a reference. Again, ICT concepts. Again, lower highs as well for the past 8 days. Again, using the daily lows as the concept, right? Then where is it? Then if we pull out our fib, we could see that we're clearly, like, we don't even have to put it up, but we're clearly at the premium, and we want to sell at the premium. Okay, cool. So with me wanting to sell at the premium, what I like to see, honestly, what I need to sell, I just need to see this happening. Past 2 days, I just need to see this, then I'm selling, right? But I'm not just selling, right? So what I like to wait for is for the previous day's high to get broken. As you can see in today's case, it didn't get broken. And when I decided to enter was during London session, when I saw this shift in market structure. You know what I'm saying? We saw a fair value gap here, we saw a fair value gap here, that's where we decided exactly at 3. That's when I entered. Exactly at 3, I entered a 0.01 trade because I didn't want to miss out. I don't know if I took a screenshot, but if I did, I'll pop it. I didn't want to miss out. No stop loss, because again, I was anticipating price to break here before going down, but it didn't give. You know what I'm saying? Then I was anticipating to get out when price moves, when it comes below Tuesday's low, but again, it didn't give. What's up with that? But no, for real, what's up with that? If you do know that, please leave a comment. So the way I would like to catch this trade is this Mondays does not matter. If I'm only seeing 2 is enough, right? Same thing, price at the premium, then give me this shift or that shift up here. But like, if I don't trust it, that shift still has no problem, right? But I would generally like to see this one. I like to see that shift here get broken, and I'm not gonna wait for price to like come back to test some fair value gap type thing. Just enter at the break, you understand, at the break of that candle, then above that high, then we swing for that take profit. Then here is where we'll take majority of our trade off. That's how it goes. One day I'll explain the strategy, but we'll take majority, then just let it run to here. That's when I'm gonna mark it. Then we get out at New York lunch time. That's 15 minutes after lunch. That's New York lunch. So that's where we would like to catch it. That's how ideally I would like to catch it, right? So let's move it like this. Then we could also catch it like that, where we move to that shift still. I don't care if it comes back to any fair value gap, which it retests or whatever, above that high, then same take profit. The other one gives a 1-to-3 ratio, then the other one gives a 1-to-7 ratio. So again, might be biased, this might be hindsight, but this is how I'm generally gonna document the trade. This setup, this pattern here, forming like this beautiful thing. That's how I generally like to catch it in the future. And hopefully next week is a better trading week than this week. Like if we're me talking, this week should have been like, I should have been up by 1% from that 0.01 I entered, but that's not the case. I'm down by 5% because of what I said in the beginning of the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. See y'all tomorrow if you get a setup.